Hello and welcome to Virtual School Assembly. I'm the host, Tyler Christensen, and I'm grateful you're here. If you're here, it's probably because you're a student and you're either learning from home or you're learning at school or you're doing some sort of hybrid between those. This channel grew out of the COVID pandemic of 2020, where we reached out to the best speakers from all around the world to share messages of inspiration, education, encouragement, and hope with you. Their messages are short. Most of them are 15 to 25 minutes, and they're awesome. We have celebrities, actors, directors, producers. We have professional athletes in a bunch of different sports. We have Olympians and Paralympians. We have professional speakers. We have the best educators, entertainers. So if you want to be filled, this is a good place to be because these messages will certainly fill you up. I'm grateful you're here. If you want to watch these videos throughout the year, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and the notification link. And then each week, there'll be 2 new episodes that come throughout the week that you can watch. We've already recorded 150 episodes, so we've got plenty of content to last throughout this 2021 school year. Enjoy them. I'm glad you're here.